To update the property value of group, create a new HTTP request. Update group using the patch method. Set the URL https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/group/group id. To find the group object ID, navigate to the group section in portal.azure.com and copy the group object ID from there. Replace the group ID in the URL with the copied object ID. In the headers of your request, include content type with application JSON and authorization with barrier followed by the token. Not sure how to create a new access token? Watch the video titled How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API, linked in the video description below. In the request body, specify only the properties that you need to updated. For instance, change the group's display name Finance Team Access to Finance Team. Properties not mentioned in the request body will retain their existing value. After setting up your request, click the Send button to execute it. This action will update the group display name. Status 204 indicates success. To verify the updated value, navigate to portal.azure.com and confirm the display name is now Finance Team. That's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share your thoughts in comments. See you next time.